Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. And today we are not doing anything particular or anything specifically planned. All I wanted to do today is basically play around with a palette that I had for a while, which is this palette here. Now, if you don't follow Urban Decay or don't know them very well, this is the Urban Decay Vice eyeshadow palette. This is the Vice 4. And to be honest with you, I had to have it because of the packaging. I just love this spider web kind of a looking pouch that you get with it, and also the oil slick kind of a design on the palette itself. I would really encourage you to do your research and perhaps wait till there are enough swatches, if you can go and swatch the product yourself in stores, to actually make up your mind whether you do actually want this product or not, because at the moment there are so many different products that you can buy and it's quite saturated. Now, I wouldn't say it's over saturated because there is always space for more. However, yeah, just do your research and actually decide on whether you want the product, in this case the eyeshadow palette, whether you want it because of the eyeshadows that are inside, or if perhaps just like the packaging. And I am a sucker for that. So this is how the eyeshadows look that you get in this palette, and as you can see, it is quite a good selection of colors. Because I am missing few eyeshadows that I would usually need for a complete makeup look, I will be also using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eye Contour Light and Shade eyeshadow palette. Now, this is supposed to be a dupe for the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, but yeah, I do actually like this palette quite a bit. To start off, as always, we're going to go in with the Deco eyeshadow base. Now, I do really like this, it's affordable and it does last you quite a while. Now we have the base down. We're going to go in with this color here. Now, it doesn't have a name, so I have no clue how to tell you differently than to show it to you. Okay, and as always, if you watched any of my previous videos, I like to put a lighter color under my eyebrow and into my crease. And that's exactly what we're doing today. Here, which is called Fast Ball, and we're just gonna put it in the crease, as you can see in the video. Next, we're going to take the color 1985, which is reach it, this color here, and this color we're going to place in the middle of the eye into the crease. We're going in with this color here, and this color is called Underhand. I'm just making a rough shape of how I want this to go. Now, I know that at the moment it looks crazy. I'm 100% sure you can see this beautiful fallout as well. So basically this is kind of where you need to be at this point. Next, we will be going in with the Catrice Camouflage Concealer. This is in 010 Ivory, and I'm just going to cut out a cut crease. before it is going to crease. I will actually finish this eye with eyeshadow first before I hopefully do the other eye somewhat similar. This color here, and it's called Harlot. I think they're pretty even-ish. I think I might just skip eyeliner for today. And now we are gonna quickly clean up this 3/4 of the eyeshadows that the eyeshadow fallout that I have underneath here, and we're going to just shape the eyeshadow a little bit so it's more structured, and I will apply my foundation. So basically I was talking here for about 8 minutes and then I realized that I forgot to press record. Okay, let's just repeat everything I already said once. Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. To finish up, I used the Dermacol foundation in 207. I might have previously mentioned, and if I didn't, this is great to film. However, I would not recommend you have this on for a longer period of time. It gets greasy, it starts breaking off. I did try to wear it for work, but I looked like a mess by the time I got home. Then I set my face with the RCMA color powder. Again, great for filming. Don't really like it for everyday use just because I need a little bit more than just mattifying. Then I have used the Shimmer Squad from Lottie London, and as always when I use this, well, it's this way around. So I use the Good Girl highlight out of this palette. Now I just realized that if you are a girl or a man or a boy or a woman, in whatever time in your life you are, but basically I was trying to say that if you have long hair, it doesn't really matter if you have highlight on or not, because no one is going to see it and get to appreciate it. Because I mean, if you tend to wear your hair down very often like I do, then this is your situation. And how are you going to see highlight like this? You're not. You're wasting the 3 minutes in the morning that it takes to apply the highlight. Let's be real, okay? But if you decide to have your hair up, or if you have very short hair, or just basically the hair out of the way so you can actually see this part of the face, then I hope you can see this highlighter is absolutely beautiful, and it is actually very affordable. So I would definitely recommend you check it out. And for the lips, I have used the Stay Matte liquid lip color from Rimmel in the color 850 Shadow. It looks like this. As you can see in the tube, it looks kind of like a just box standard cement gray, but on the lips for some reason it looks more like a bluish gray or grayish blue, greenish grayish blue. You know where I'm going with that. And I think it's maybe because of my hair, I don't know, no idea, but I really like how it looks like. Also, I've used the Maybelline Colossal mascara that I always use in waterproof. It's great, it's just my box standard. And I've used the Smoky Eyes Volume Lashes from Catrice. They're really affordable. They come in a packaging like this, and actually now that I have worn them a few times, and yes, I worn the same pair of lashes a few times, if you take care of them, if you clean them up properly and put them back and not rip them down when you're done with them, then a pair of lashes will actually be absolutely fine to use quite a few times. Because they have quite a thinner lash band, it did take me a little bit longer to get used to because they're a little bit more difficult to apply. But I think it looks very, very seamlessly. Now, Of course, you can tell that I have fake lashes on because no one has lashes like this, okay? But yeah, guys, I'm pretty sure I've mentioned now everything that I use on my face. Please let me know how you have liked this video. Let me know how you like this look, if it's something that you would consider wearing, if this is too much for you, if you would have preferred it with different colors. Let me know. But yeah, guys, this has been all for this video. I will insert pictures before I forget to mention it somewhere of this look, so you can see how it would look in pictures. And yeah, let me know if there is a product you would like me to review, and if I can, I will. Or let me know if you would like me to do a certain look with any of the palettes that I previously mentioned. And again, if I can and I will, okay? And yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you're having a lovely day, morning, afternoon, evening, night, wherever you are. And I will see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye!